these were one of my setups which I shared in my VIP group. So if you want to join my VIP Telegram group, please, you only need to have a minimum deposit of $100 on your account. Okay, so on your real account. Okay, so I don't allow demo trading in my Telegram channel. So you only need to deposit minimum $100. Then I'll be sharing with you all these setups. If you get these setups, so these setups can help you to make a lot of money. Okay, guys, so you can begin with $100 in my group. So you'll be make, or in a week you can be making $100, you can be making $200. So depending on the capital you have, but all these are VIP setups. Okay, so all these setups, they are deeply explained. How did I catch them, and what are the reasons behind why I entered all these trades? Okay, guys, so a lot of people out there can ask that how does really forex trading works. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the 9 profitable candlesticks you must know before trading and before entering every trade. So these are the 9 profitable candlesticks. So the first profitable candlesticks, which has made for me a lot of money within the past 3 years, within the past 4 years, I can say that this is a bullish engulfing bar. So the first things first, you have to identify the bullish engulfing bar. So how does the bullish engulfing bar look like? So the bullish engulfing bar, you are going to see that it looks sort of like this. So the first one is a small bear candle, and the second one is a bullish candle, but it engulfs the bear candle. So you can look at this. So this is a bullish engulfing bar. You can see as simple as this. So if you can mark out all this, so we can see that. So the first one is a bullish engulfing bar. So at this point we are seeing that this is a bullish engulfing bar at that point. So how does the bullish engulfing bar mean? So it means that when a bullish engulfing bar is being formed, so we shall see that buyers are taking over the market. So we can see that since this one formed a bullish engulfing bar, we shall expect that buyers are in control of the market. So, and the bullish engulfing bar is a strong reversal for the market. Okay, so strong reversal in the demand zone. So in most cases, it works very well in the high time frame, especially the 4-hour time frame, and it can act as a fake out in the small time frame. So now this one act as a strong reverse on the demand zone. So it means that price has been formed in this zone. So prices are ranging up. Okay, guys. So as simple as this. So the second one, I'm going to show a bearish engulfing bar. So before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube video. Please don't forget to like and share and comment all my YouTube videos. Please, I welcome every question. So if you want to start making money in 2026, please join the winning team. Please just use the link below and join my Telegram VIP channel. Okay, I'll send you the link. So you only tap down in my comment one of my video and say you want to start. So if you want to start this channel, just comment KUK JAN OSTEN. So I'll reply to you and I will send you the link. But before you enter my VIP, so you have to have a minimum of $100 on your trading account, because I want you to feel how the trading system works. So you'll be experiencing how real money operates within the trading industry. So this is not sort of gambling. So if you want to come in this market and you want to make money very fast, so just trust me, you are going to lose it all. Okay, so this is a business whereby you don't need to hurry. So you have to understand what you're doing. So you have to understand how the market is moving. So first thing first, so let's continue. So we're going for bearish engulfing bar. So how does the bearish engulfing bar mean? So the first one is a small bullish candle, and the second one is a large bullish candle, but the large bullish candle is going to drop down. So we are going to see that it can cause slightly a displacement. So this is a bearish engulfing bar. So we mark the first candle up to the end. So we can see that this is a bearish engulfing bar. So at this point, so you can see those are the 9 So this is the second profitable candlestick. Okay, it has made for me a lot of money. So once you see this, if you're a beginner trader, once you see this, just know that you are selling the market. So you just enter your sales, but you put the stop loss above the zone. Okay, yeah, so if they sell, put the stop loss above the zone. So this one, it acts as a strong reversal within a trending market. So if the market has been trending up for a long time and you see all these candlesticks, so it acts as a strong reversal in the up trending market. So it shows that there will be a short term market. Okay, guys. So when the market is still in the long term, so you are going to see that the market now is going to reverse after this signal has been dropped. So you are going to see short-term sellers coming in the market, and after. So remember, the second candle should close with a large body candle. Okay, guys. So in most cases, it works best within the premium zone, and when premium zone, when also the liquidity has been taken out. Okay, guys. So but first thing first, I will not go very much. Okay, guys. So I'm going to show you also a hammer. Okay, guys, a hammer or pin bar bullish. So we have two types of hammer. We have the bullish hammer, we have the bearish hammer. Okay, guys. So we have a hammer. We are going to see that how does a hammer look like. So a hammer looks like it has a weak and a small body. So it's a weak and a small body. So we can see that. Let's look for the hammer. So we can see. So this is kind of hammer. Okay, guys. So we are so we are seeing that this is our kind of hammer. You can see it here. You can see it here. So this is a hammer here. So at this point, if you mark this point, this is a bullish hammer. So it can act as a pin, bullish pin bar. So this is a hammer. So it indicates a signal for buys. So this signal for buys, in case it's already signal for buys. So once you see this, so it means that we are buying the market. So you on enter your trade. So once you see also this signal, so if the market has been trading down, so it means that this acts as a reversal that the market is going to go somewhere long. Okay, guys. So this is a hammer. So we have a bullish hammer and we have a bearish hammer. So for a bearish hammer, you can see the wick is reversed. So let us look for a downtrend market and I show you how a bearish hammer looks like. Okay, guys. So a bearish hammer, you can see it here. So this is kind of the bearish hammer. So this hammer is bearish. You can see it here. So it's bearish. So it's a bearish hammer. Okay, so the market was reversing now. It shows that the market now dropping down. So you only look for yourself. Okay, so that is it. So far I've shown you 3 profitable candlesticks. So first things first, guys, let me ask you. So if you, in case you have any question and you're not understanding anything about my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, but please don't forget to like and share all my YouTube videos, and don't forget to put down all the comments down. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show you the 4th profitable candlesticks, which has enabled me to make a lot of money in this industry. Okay, guys, so first things first. So I'm going to show you a shooting star. So how does a shooting star look like? A shooting star can look like it has equal wicks and a small body candle. So a shooting star, we can see that it's a star. Okay, so if you can see some, it can look like a doji. So we can see this is a shooting star. So a shooting star, this is a shooting star. We can see it here. So at that point, we are seeing a shooting star. So those are shooting stars. So it means that market is reversing. So a bullish shooting star is formed when the market is reversing. So the market has been trading down for a long time. So when this happens, so we are going to see that now the market is going to reverse now in the upside. So in the push phase, so the market is going to could face up. Okay, guys. So if you look at the bearish stars, so that those are bullish stars, but we can also look for the bearish ones. So those bearish ones, so they also act in when the market has been trending up for a long time. So we shall see bearish stars. So the reverse is true. So guys, we can also see a morning star. So a morning star, these are three candle patterns. So remember, this is the fixed profitable candle I'm showing you. So a morning star, this is so a morning star, these are three candlestick patterns. So a morning star, we are seeing that the middle candle is taking out the liquidity and the third candle is causing a displacement to the upside. So let us look for that. Let us look for that. So we are going to see that we are seeing a morning star. So how does the morning star look like? So we are going to see that in this case, so in this case, we are seeing I've told you that these are three candlestick patterns. So this is a morning star in this zone. So if you look at those three candlestick patterns, so those are called morning stars. Okay, guys. So prices, so it usually formed when the market is also reversing. So the market when has been trading down for a long time. So when it forms within the strong support zone, so we are going to see that the market is going to react very fast to the upside. So we are going to see that also the evening star, it forms when the market been trading up, now we are reversing in the downward direction. So if we are to look out the evening star, so the evening star, strong reversal. So the evening star, so the middle candle is going to take up all the liquidity down. Okay, guys. So the evening star, we are seeing these are three candlestick patterns. So the evening star, we are seeing this, the first candle and this. So that's the evening star. So the three candlestick patterns, I think you can see it's good for entries. So as a beginner trader, once you see this kind of pattern, you just wait the market to come, then you just sell the market. You also make money. Okay, guys. So don't get afraid to execute your trades. Okay, guys. So if you can look at now the doji, so this is my so a doji. So a doji, we are going to see that this is my seventh candlestick. So a doji, we are going to see it can act as an indecision candle. So for them, they have no bodies, they are on the wicks, their bodies are too tiny. So this is a bullish doji. So we can see it here, we can see it here, we can see that we have a doji here. So we have a doji. So this is a doji. So we can see, okay, we have a bullish doji and we have a bearish doji. Okay, guys. So first things first. So what's an inside bar? So an inside bar, we are going to see that. So an inside bar is around here. So an inside bar, we are going to see that. So when the market has been consolidating, we have, so these bars, if you can see clearly, so these are inside bars. So you can see those are inside bars. All these ones are inside bars. So they can be pin bars, what. So all those things are inside bars. So if formed within the right zone, so an inside bar formed within resistance zone, that's a signal for sell. So an inside bar formed within a support zone, that's a signal for buy. So a bullish engulfing bar formed within formed within strong support zone, so that's a signal for buys. Okay, guys. So if we can also look the last one, so the tweezer tops. So if you look at the tweezer tops, we are going to see that these candles are almost the same. They should be the same or the same size. So we are going to see that how these tweezer tops form like. So if we so so these tweezer tops, we can see them here clearly. So what are the tweezer tops doing here? So we are going to see that. So these are the tweezer bottoms. Okay guys, so we are seeing that these candles, they have the same body, and we are seeing that they are of the same size. Okay, same body, same size. So these are the tweezer bottoms. So if you can see, I formed a strong support zone. So when the market came back, so the market started reacting off and off. So these are the tweezer bottoms. Okay guys, so two candles of the same size forming within the strong support zone. Okay guys, so now we are also going to see our tweezer tops. So how do the tweezer tops look like? So the tweezer tops, we can see them like this. I'm going to show you a good tweezer tops signal. We are going to see them like this. So these are the tweezer tops. So who can show me the tweezer tops? I'm going to show you like this. I'm going to show you like this tweezer tops. So these are the tweezer tops. So we can see them like this. We can see tweezer tops. So they pose strong reversal once formed within the resistance zone. So those ones, the actors market is reversing. So at this point there was a short-term selling. Okay guys, so as simple as this. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So far I've told you 9 profitable candlesticks whenever. So these candlesticks, they go hand in hand in price action. Okay guys, so if you're a price action trader, please don't forget to always use these candlestick patterns. Okay guys, so candlestick patterns, these ones have made a lot of profitable trader whom you admire today. So the first candlestick I told you, engulfing bars, we have bullish engulfing bar and bearish engulfing bar. So we have the pin bars, we have the hammers, we have the doji, we have the tweezer tops. So the hammers, we have the bullish hammer, we have the bearish hammer.